So today I am showing you all how to make this backdrop from Home Depot and Amazon, and you don't have to spend a bunch of money for it. It's just simple 4 items. So let's go to Home Depot. Right here is the size 2 by 2. The only difference is the thickness. That's what makes the price different. If you want it longer or shorter, they do have that as well. And if you need anything in a different size, a different color, or if you need it to already have a certain kind of marble print or like brick print on it, they do already have that. However, for this video I'm just using these 2x2s right here. These elf shape bracket, I got them from Amazon. I will put the link down below. So let's get started. So I didn't buy any wallpapers for my thing because I wanted to use the wood color, but you could definitely buy whatever wrapper you want and put it on. You could even have a bunch of these boards and just play with them and have them lined up and switch them out whenever you want to use them. You could even buy more L bracket just so you have them. You could just do what I did and just put the wrapping paper on it as you need it and take it back off. So here's some photos that are unedited. Everything that I did here are unedited. I will also be adding other stuff onto the frame to make it look different. And yeah, this is how it is. A very simple backdrop that's done with just 4 items, 2-piece top and bottom, and 2 L bracket. If you want to include the wrapping paper, then that's another 2 pieces of wrapping paper, but then it's just easy and simple. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments below. Bye bye.